Hi friends, this video shows how to remove headset strap of MetaQuest 3. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First I am going to remove the straps on the left and right sides. Then I will remove the strap on the top. First let me start from this right side. On right side here we can see one small gap. So we can remove this part. Use your thumb, just apply some pressure here. See, so let me do the same on this other side. Use your thumb, then apply some pressure here. Very easy. So this way we can remove this straps from the left and right side. So let me remove strap from the top. This is very easy. Just take off. Then this one we need to glide like this. That way we can easily remove it. Okay, so next I will show you how we can connect these straps which we removed. First I am going to connect this strap on the left side. Here you can see the USB port, so we have to use this one. First connect this side, then slowly you press and come to the top, then press here. Done. Then do the same thing on other side, and here you can see the headset port. Do the same thing here. First connect this side, then slowly press and come to the top. You can check both sides. I think this is good. Now we can just press it. Okay, done. So this way we can remove and then connect headset straps. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.